In this section, you will learn about the concept of data binding, which is essential to know and master when working with .NET Maui applications. To study this concept, let's see the components that conform a binding. First of all, we must have a source object. Any .NET object is valid to be an information source. Each of these sources are usually composed of a set of properties, and it is common to use only one property at a time to carry out the binding. On the other hand, the destination will be a control, such as a label control, an entry control, or any other control that we have studied in previous lessons. From this control, we must define which is the property to which we want to bind the source property. For example, in the entry and label controls, it is common to link to the property called text, in a slider control to the value property, and so on with each of the controls of the framework. This property must be a bindable property, which are precisely properties that allow to establish bindings and that we will examine later. The binding is the one that will allow us to connect these two properties so that there can be a communication between them. If we were to make a representation with real data, an origin could be the name property of a person class bound to the text property of a label control. Let's see how to create bindings in a practical way with .NET Maui.